Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn poem number 2.1 Invictus, written by William Ernest Henley. Yesterday we have seen poets suffered there many hardship, many terrible hardship in his life. Then also he was neither reacted with pain or not cried aloud. Miss poet here glorifies that the courageous soul that does not complain but remain fearless. Remain fearless even in the suffering and even in the difficult situation. But his head is still not bow. His head is not still bow. And also poet says that means beyond this world of anger and tears may lie in a means maybe his tears lay in a place that is worse, that is bad, but the terrible suffering of this world have made him so strong. But whatever he is facing, the terrible suffering, that terrible suffering of this world have made him so strong. Now, last stanza of the poem. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishment the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. Means poet says that it does not matter. It does not matter how narrow the path to the afterlife. How narrow the path to the afterlife. Means afterlife means heaven. How that path of the heaven, which is very narrow, or how many punishments he will get there. Means how many punishment, how charged with punishment the scroll, means how many punishment he will get there. Scroll means rolled paper used in olden days. Roll paper used in olden days. And straight means narrow. Straight means narrow passage or narrow path. Okay, narrow passage or narrow path. Means everyone know, there is a it is a geographical word actually. Means where there is a narrow piece of land. Narrow piece of land between the India and Sri Lanka. There is a narrow piece of land. Means narrow passage. Okay. And here poet used as a narrow way, narrow path. Okay. Means poet says that it does not matter how narrow the path to the afterlife. Means afterlife means how narrow the path of heaven, or how many punishments he will get there. How many punishment he will get there, which is written on that roll of paper. Which is written on that roll of paper. But poet says that means he firmly knows that. What he knows that? I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. But he firmly knows that he is the child in his control of his life. He control of his life and his destiny. Fate means destiny or luck. He control of his luck. He control of his luck. He control of his life and he control of his destiny. He control of his luck. He is not bothered how difficulties there are. He is not bothered how difficulties there are. He has hopes for his bright future. Means he said that I am the captain of myself. Means he has the hope for his bright future. He has the hopes for his bright futures. Means he says that means with the help of his self-confidence, he is the master of his own fate. He is the master of his own fate because poet has the self-confidence, and he also has the captain of his soul. Means he has the hopes for his bright future. He has the sole authority of his own life. Means he has the soul. He has the hope. He has the wish for his bright future. Okay, like this way poet written this very powerful poem which gives us the message of which gives us the message of courage and strength. We must have courage and strength. Poet tells us that we must have courage and strength, and our actions are the result of our own feelings. Means whatever our actions, which is the result of our own feeling. Means we have to live with fearless. We have to live with fearless if there is any terrible conditions. We take the responsibility for everything that happens in our life. We should be face these difficulties, means whatever in our life. Okay, we should be face. We must be face these difficulties with courage and with the help of courage and strength. With the help of courage and strength. Really, it is a very impressive poem. Okay, which is very inspirational poem. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss about the exercise. Everyone write the hard words meaning in your notebook. Okay, thank you.